Guys, in this video, I am going to talk about the three situations where we as a salesperson, we need to do the 30%, 20 to 30% talking, because we all know that sales is 70 to 80% listening and only 20 to 30% talking. Listening is more important because we as a human being, we want to be feel heard, we want to be validated, and also we listen what we listen and absorb more of what we are saying rather than what the other person is saying. Whenever the other person is speaking, we will be able to absorb only to hardly 5 to 10%, maybe 15% of what they are saying, but we will absorb 100%, 95% of what we are saying. So, coming to situation number 1, labeling the emotions of the client. We need to label, like, for validating the emotions of the client, like whenever the client is explaining their situation, opening up about their problems, we need to label it by saying, like, it sounds like you are overwhelmed, it sounds like it's getting difficult for you to manage all this, it sounds you are overwhelmed. This will make them comfortable, this will validate them and make them comfortable to open up more. And also, mirroring the labeling is a part of validating, so we need to mirror the last three words, summarize. So number 1, labeling or validating by mirroring, and it seems like you are the emotions, validating the emotions and mirroring it and summarizing the whatever they have said. So this is the situation number 1. Now coming to the situation number 2, asking the right set of questions. Asking the right set of questions, I will prepare a separate video where I will discuss in detail about the structured way of asking the right set of questions. In short, so whenever we ask the question to the client, like, how important is it for you? How are you currently managing it? How does it align with your current priorities? So these questions will make them open up more, and we will be able to gauge the client's current condition, situation. We will be able to qualify them, qualify or disqualify. So I will create a separate video about it, about the structure of the questions, how to ask it in a better manner, what are the right prefaces of the questions, and how to conclude the questions in a better manner. So these are the two situations: validating or labeling. Number 2, asking the right set of questions. And now comes the third part, which is the solution bridging. This is the time when we have to do the maximum talking, which is around 15%, 15 to 20%, depending upon the scenario. So in the demo phase, when we are transitioning, when we are bridging the gap from their current situation to the ideal desired situation, when we are bridging the gap, like based on the challenges which you mentioned, like the clutter and all, one of the ways which we are helping, in which we have helped X number of clients in this manner through this particular modular solution, where we can assist you with the space optimization and make it clutter free. The reason it works is dash dash dash. So summarizing, number 1, validating the emotions of the client by mirroring, repeating the last three words, acknowledging what they have said, acknowledging their concerns, So that was number one. Number two, asking the right set of questions in a structured manner. And number three is the solution bridging. So guys, if you want to ask anything more about this, drop in the comment box. You can put the comments over here. I will create a separate video where I will discuss in detail about all these 3 points.